How to share phone screen and control it. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can share phone screen and control it. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in order to share and control your phone screen using different methods, you will have to install some applications that will help you do that. So for that, TeamViewer application will be the best for you in order to control your phone from other device remotely. So for that, you have to install TeamViewer QuickSupport on your device and also install TeamViewer application on the controlling device. So open up the Play Store. Here install TeamViewer QuickSupport. So you have to install TeamViewer QuickSupport in your device, and on your another controlling device you have to install TeamViewer. Now open up TeamViewer QuickSupport in your device. Tap on agree and continue. Tap on skip. Wait for a while. As you can see on your interface, there is your ID. So this is a unique ID that you have to share. Now on your another controlling Android device, you have to open up the TeamViewer application, enter the ID on this interface right here in your another device, then tap on connect. After that, a pop-up will appear asking for permission. There tap on allow to grant access. Once you do that, now you will be able to see and fully control the targeted device from your controller device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.